Hey guys, this is Eric from DubsLabs. Today I want to talk to you about caffeine. Yep, that's right. It's in your coffee, it's in your tea, it's in your chocolate, and it messes up your sleep big time. So back in 2014, I decided to stop drinking caffeine entirely. That's actually a lie. I stopped drinking caffeinated coffee. I switched to decaf, which still has a little bit of caffeine in it. What I realized is that I am very sensitive to caffeine and I react even to just 1 cup of coffee. It's like rocket fuel for me. And so I learned that I'm actually just an overall better person if I kind of tone down the caffeine intake a little bit. I've never been one of those people that drinks, 3 to 6 cups a day. That would probably kill me. But, I switched to decaf because I still love the taste of coffee and I still love the ritual of waking up in the morning and grinding fresh beans and making a nice pour over or an AeroPress and, maybe coming up with some fancy concoction and steaming some almond milk and stuff like that. It's kind of fun for me. I just enjoy it and I love the taste. No more full-on caffeine drinks for me. If I were to drink a full cup of caffeinated coffee in the morning, I have very, very low chances of falling asleep at night. And I think one thing that people don't understand is that the half-life of caffeine is like super long. So if you drink a cup of coffee after 2 p.m., there's a really good chance that you are not going to be able to fall asleep that night, or you're going to have a lot of trouble falling asleep, and you're not going to get as good quality sleep. You're going to kind of stay in like the lower stages of sleep. You're not going to get enough deep sleep and REM sleep to really revitalize yourself and wake up feeling refreshed. So switching to decaf was a really, really great thing for me. I know a lot of you out there can't do that. So what I just want to explain in this video is if you're going to drink caffeine, which is fine, just try to drink it as early in the day as possible. 2 p.m. the latest, but ideally just try to have it in the morning and stop right there. Another thing that I'm guilty of, and I know many people are guilty of, is eating chocolate late at night. Chocolate's delicious. I love 85% like super dark chocolate. Here's the thing, chocolate has caffeine in it too. And even if you eat just a little bit of chocolate before bed, you're still ingesting enough caffeine to possibly affect your sleep negatively. So try cutting back on the caffeine, drinking caffeine earlier in the day, and let me know how your sleep goes in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you.